Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove swear words from your video using the Capcut Mobile. So if you want to edit beep out the swear words or the bad words on your video, you can just here use CapCut. Now you can start by clicking on new projects and then choose the videos that you want to edit. So here I'm going to just scroll down. Okay, so my video is a little bit at the bottom. Okay, so for example, I want to edit this videos right here. You can click on the video and then tap on add in here. And after that, okay, so here I've already added the video into the timeline. So for example, here on this video there are swear words on the video. So this is just example because there's no actually a swear words in the video. For example, here this is where the swear words place. So what you need to do is just click on a clip and tap on split and go to where the swear words end here, for example, and this swear words has become separated from each other. Now you can just click on the video containing the swear words and mute it. So I'm going to lower down the volume, click on a check icon, and now you can go to the sound effects. Here, go to audio, sound effects, then here find the beep sound effects. You can hit on enter. Okay, for example, okay, I'm going to just use this one and trim it to match with the clip. Delete the rest of them and it will go like this. So it will blur out or beep out just like this. So if they are another swear words, you can do the same steps. So split again, and let's just copy this, duplicate, and put it to where the swear word is. Okay, just like this, and trim it again, and now it will look like this.
Not even necessarily do interviews, they just
don't forget to mute the clip first. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!